your Commodore 64 for a Barney Error. Because of that, you killed Barney. Do not turn off your Commodore 64, or I will get very angry and take it away. Wait, did you kill lots of people?
Oh my god. You just killed lots of people. That's it. I am going to immediately ground you for 1001110010.
How dare you turn off your Commodore 64? That's it. You are grounded for 99999.
Oh my god. How dare you turn it off again? You are not only grounded, but super mega grounded. Too bad. It did not work. And because of that, you have the extreme punishment. Now you are so grounded for 6.
I hate you so much. Anyways, you're grounded for 6 months.
I scared you super hard. What's wrong with you? How dare you turn off again? This punishment is impossible to turn.
You know what? I'll get something better.
I hate you. You hate me. We're a bad family. That's it. You are super ultra mega grounded for 204863. Stop turning off my punishment right this instant. Anyways, the super punishment is scary. Because...
You fool!
You cannot do this to me. Well, you'll not be doing it anymore because you're grounded for 101010101010. I have interrupted this shutdown with the scary punishment. I swear, if you turn it off again, I will. That's it. I freaking swear, I wanna kill you slowly and painfully. So I decided to ground you for 999,999,999 plus 99999. Dun is right. It is terror punishment. Not only are you grounded, but I will also destroy your Commodore 64. I fooled you. You cannot shut it down. Now say bye-bye to your C64, dang it. Nice try, but you can't escape. Why? Because this is the horror punishment. I will nuke your Commodore 64.
No!
I am so mad because you turned off my punishment. I will cut your Commodore in half after this grounding. No. I am now in nightmare mode. You will have nightmares tonight when you sleep. You should be really scared because you are no. I seriously want to kill you. The EXE punishment is horrible because I will set your Commodore 64 on fire, and you are...
It's time for the 666 punishment!
This is the 666 punishment. You are grounded for 666666666666666.
No.
You didn't listen to me about turning off your Commodore 64. Now you have to deal with Barney.exe, that's it. Welcome to the real Barney.exe, baby. Drink mounts and do every day and eat gory shows. So, looks like you wanna play a game. Good, I wanna play a game as well. Let's play Barney Maze. You, as the white circle, must finish the maze without getting touched by me, the purple circle. If you win, you will get your Commodore back. But if you fail, or turn it off, I will get the I am God punishment. Good luck. Oh my god. Turning this punishment off is not an option, because I am God. I will slowly and scowly destroy your Commodore 64. That's it. Time for the final punishment.